Well, hello there. Well, hello there, and welcome back to a new exciting episode of Corbin Does Something. I'm Corbin, I'm Doesn't Something, and I have a special treat for you. That's right. You no longer have to wipe your own ass.
But I want my own ass! I want my own ass!
I have... What? That doesn't sound good. I have an ultra-thin bidet. I got this off Amazon for about 25 bucks. It's ultra-thin, so it should fit with any toilet seat and not bother it too much and all that. So let's go ahead, let's crack into this, and I'll show you guys exactly how to hook it up, provided it's not broken. Oh man, the box is already written. Hopefully it's got everything. This is nerve-wracking. Alright, so this one came in 3 different colors. There was white, black, and stainless steel type look, or nickel finish, I don't remember. It's the one that I went with too. Yeah, it's only on the control pad, but you know, I wanted to look modern in the bathroom. So essentially, I don't know how any of this works. So typically what you would do is you would connect this to your toilet pipe there. It seems a little bit too big. But yeah, you go from the pipe to this, and it tees off, and then this thing here screws in, and it's the wrong size too. This isn't gonna work, is it? Oh, it's smaller size over here. Okay, good. So yeah, and then it plugs in here. And then these get adjusted for the toilet seat. Hopefully that works. This seems really... something doesn't seem right here. And plumber tape. Cheap plumber tape. And yeah, here we go. Alright, right, so basically, we're going to take off the seat. Once the seat's off, line these up and slap it onto there. Once this is on, we connect this hose to the back and then connect this to the pipe and then just reconnect it all. So let's go ahead, let's go get that all connected and see how it works. Okay, this is real simple and easy.
That's a lie.
Toilet seat. Alright, with the toilet seat off, you just simply pop these in. You put this back on. Okay, that is good and secured. Now it's time for the hard parts. Okay, right down here you have the valve for the toilet water. You want to turn off the water first. That is shut off. It's a very quick and easy disconnect from the toilet bowl here. Okay, you can see I already got the plumber's tape on. We're going to take this, screw it right into here. Get that real nice and tight, but it's hand tighten only. Alright, and then we're going to bring this piece in. It's going to take a little messing around because it's a very tight fit there. Once you have that on, it's a real simple, hopefully simple, case of connecting the metal wire together. So we're going to take this small end here and see that is too small. So we'll take that big end here and we'll screw that on and see that that's the wrong one. And we'll do it again. we go. And now we have this little piece on the back. Okay, now that is good. We're going to turn the water back on. Should be good to go. Alright, let's see how this thing works. There's two settings here. I think this one's for the women. Oh shit! That works! For the men, or the poopers. That doesn't seem like it's doing anything. What's this one do? Yeah, it really got my everything. Oh, fudge me, man. Okay. I'm all wet now.
That's what she said.
So is everything in my life. Alright, toilet seat is on. And it sits pretty flat. So it's not really a problem. Alright. That is a high blast enema right there. Okay. The feminine one gets my butt the right way. So I think I just have a very frontward butt. This is the weirdest episode I've ever done. Have a great day. You like me yet?